Hey guys, today we're going to do Dadpool cooks. We're going to make Dadpool omelets. So let me show you what you're going to need.
Goddamn right.
You're going to need extra virgin olive oil. Stand up there. There you go. You're going to need, of course, eggs, a bowl, a fork, butter. These are green peppers, onions, and tomatoes. And of course, my personal favorite, mushrooms. Now, what we're gonna do, in your pan, I like to use this nice big pan, take a little bit of butter. You're gonna take a little bit of slab of butter here. You put butter in there, and just a dash of extra virgin olive oil. Just like so. Stay there. You stay there this time? Thank you. And of course we need to light the fire. I can figure out where I did my lighter. There it is. Like a nice little cute pink lighter. That to the side. There we go. We got the fire going. We're going to melt this butter down real nice. You want to keep it moving around so you coat the whole area. While that's doing that, we're going to turn it down to a nice little simmer. We're going to take out a couple eggs here. Each omelet, I like to use 3 eggs. I can get 3 out. You stay there. Crack them in the bowl. Put them in the trash. Crack it on the side of the bowl. Put it in the trash. A little. Get out of here. There it is. And the last one. Now, I didn't mention it before. You're going to need this too. A little bit of milk. I can take a little bit of milk. Put in there. This will make your eggs nice and fluffy. I wish I could turn that down further. Then you grab your fork. Mix this up real nice. Just keep going until everything is one solid color. You don't have, you're looking here, nice little solid color. Looking real pretty. There we go. That in there. Now, set that to the side. I'm going to put this down in here, just like so. Then we're going to take a little bit of onion, sprinkle it through, a little mushroom, sprinkle it through, a couple green peppers, sprinkle it through, and some tomatoes. Sprinkle them through. Then we're going to crank up the heat. Now, if this all goes as planned, I'm a genius. If it doesn't, well, it's a fail. What are you going to do? You won't let this sit. Your instinct is going to be to move stuff around. We don't want to move stuff around because then it won't work. See how it's bubbling up here on the edge? That's a great sign. Move this around here a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. I'd center it, but my stand would fall. There we go. Yes. Now see that butter, what that does, keeps everything from sticking. And apparently I didn't get enough butter. Yeah, it's nice and bubbling up there. That's a good sign. That makes me a genius. You heard it here, folks. Genius. We're going to flip this up. Get underneath it here. Omelet that sucker. And it spilled out. So we're going to omelet it again in a minute. Apparently I'm not as genius as I thought. There we go. Now we're going to omelet it this way. Like so. Move it to the center so we got room to flip it. Let that sit for a little bit longer. Let's see if we can actually do it right. Get underneath there and flip. Yay! It's an ugly omelet. It's very ugly, but it's going to taste good. So we're letting that sit there. Now see, here's my problem. I'm very impatient when it comes to cooking. So do as I say, not as I do. Don't flip it right away. Wait a little bit longer. I'm probably going to flip it because I'm retarded. Underneath there, and we're going to flip. And I messed it up. And see, here it's not quite cooked there, so that's a good thing. Let it cook for a little bit, and then we grab our plate. And you put it up on the plate. And mine's split in two. So mine's actually two little omelets. Take our extra. Throw it on. Now, I am no expert at cooking. This is obvious. However, turn that down. I am no expert in cooking. But I know what I like. And these are awesome. Till next time, check us out. KTKM Productions. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Catch you later.